A very good morning to you, Lubara Mingoni. I will check out Yenedi now. This is
We need to sit down and, like I said, we arrange the meeting already. Immediately from here, we're going to meet the Kenzo team, and they'll have to tell us what exactly happened, why they took that decision of chasing everyone from the gate collections and took over the collections themselves, and what the intentions were like to the people of West Nile. Did they really come to entertain the people, or they just came to cause havoc or to hurt people of West Nile? Everyone is hurt, everyone is disappointed, we're not happy, and we need them to apologize in front of the camera.
What if he doesn't pay you?
I think the law will take its course. This is a legal, civil, something we're trying to do already. We have already registered the case. And the police, like said, the police is so much aware of this. Even based on Kenzo's status, we still feel he's just a Ugandan like us. Eddie Kenzo was demanding, me personally, I put in money in their money show. I think they had some kind of like agreement, I don't know how, but of course I put in my personal money in that show, and Kenzo was demanding 20 million from the gate collections. But his manager, Martin Peter, collected over 60 million from the gate. So we demanded actually him to at least pay back the balance after removing Kenzo's performance fee, which is 20 million. And in Arua, over 100 million was collected. So all these monies Peter went with them.
Martin Peter, the manager of Eddie Kenzo, is supposed to understand that, because I believe being an artist manager, you cannot send your artist on stage before clearing. So now that he took charge of the gate and started collecting money, what was hard for him to acknowledge the fact that these artists have been used on their posters, these artists are supposed to be paid, these artists are supposed to perform, and then these artists are supposed to be part of the show. They went there undermining. He undermined, because I know he's an arrogant guy. He's a boastful and proud guy. He went there with his pride. We tried explaining to him. He did not understand. People nearly beat him. Still, we were the ones who saved him. Now, trust me, if me and my guy were still on the ground, there was not going to be no chaos, because the moment guys saw us leaving, they thought we were already running away. Yet we were going to meet Eddie Kenzo at the hotel.
We have never experienced anything like what has happened in West Nile. This happened recently. To my finding, on the ground, there are a lot of messes. One is an accident which has happened, which I didn't confirm, but I heard one person pass on. Two, there was a lot of distractions. Hotel has been, some hotels have been damaged. Some cars, like more than 8 cars, have been damaged. Everywhere, actually, everywhere in Arua is a mess. Like hotel truck call suit, it has been damaged with the too much stones and everything. And some bills have not been paid. Like in the Blue Dove Hotel, whereby Eddie Kenzo's people slept in, their bills have not been paid. And there really a lot of things that really happened on the ground. And all that, to me personally, it is true. This is all caused by Eddie Kenzo's management. Because you cannot be an artist and at the same time you collect money at the gate. Where would that one happen? And the same money which was collected in the gate, it was collected and taken to him. He also acknowledged that money. He received the money.